بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أبنائي الأعزاء، لقاء جديد مع الكيمياء العضوية وأورجانيك كيمستري, and we will study today alkenes, and the example of alkenes is ethene. In short notes, alkenes, group of hydrocarbons which have double bond and they are unsaturated hydrocarbons. They are more active than alkenes. As example, we will study ethene. Ethene C2H4 contain double bond. This double bond, one from type of sigma and the other from type of bi. So it is more active than ethane, which contain double bond. C double bond H H H H ethene. Alkene. Its general formula is CnH2n. Unsaturated hydrocarbons because it contains bi bond. Alkenes have their properties, general properties. Number one, they have physical properties. Physical properties, number one, alkenes are found in three physical states, as we said in alkene. Gaseous, where their molecule contain from C2 to C4. They are found in gaseous form. Liquids, from C5 to C15. Above 15, more 15, they are solids. The solubility. Alkenes are non-polar compound. So they doesn't soluble in water, but they soluble in organic solvent as benzene, ether, and alcohols. This is the most important properties of the alkenes. Again, alkenes have physical properties and the chemical properties. Physical properties, they are found in three states: gas, liquid, and solid. Gas, where its molecules contain from C2 to C4 number of carbons. Liquids, from C5 to C15. Solids, more than C15. Alkenes are non-polar compound, so they doesn't soluble in water, but they soluble in organic solvent as liquid, alcohol, and ether. What is the chemical properties of alkenes? Number one, burning or combustion. We said before, all hydrocarbons burn in presence of oxygen, producing carbon dioxide and water vapor and amount of energy. All hydrocarbons as alkene burn in presence of oxygen, forming carbon dioxide and water vapor and a large amount of energy. As example, we have this equation C2H4 ethane burn in presence of oxygen, producing carbon dioxide and water vapor and amount of energy. This is the combustion or burning in presence of oxygen. Again, all hydrocarbons burn in presence of oxygen, producing carbon dioxide, water vapor, and amount of energy in exothermic reaction. Second, addition reaction. We will ask why alkenes do addition reaction, but alkane no addition reaction. Alkenes, due to presence of double bond, so it do addition reaction. As example, ethene, pi bond, sigma bond. Due to the presence of pi bond, it is easily to broken, so it can react with hydrogen. It can react with bromine, Br. It can react with HBr, and it can react with water. All of them by addition reaction because pi bond easily to broken. Before study the addition reaction, we must learn the preparation of ethane. As example, in alkenes series. Alkenes series, the first member of it is ethane. How we can prepare ethane in lab? Ethane prepared from ethyl alcohol with conc H2SO4. And you must take care. We use thermometer. Why we use thermometer? Because the reaction give different results at different temperature. It takes place in two steps. First step at 80 degree, second step at 180 degree. So we need thermometer. Again, this apparatus, as you see, consists of flask with a stopper with thermometer and the side tube. Inside the flask, we put ethanol, ethyl alcohol, and concentrated sulfuric acid. The gas produced passed through sodium hydroxide solution. Why? To get rid of impurities, to get rid of fumes of sulfuric acid. Then the gas passed to collected above water because it is lighter than water. What is the chemical equation for preparing ethane? Please again try to draw the apparatus for preparing of ethane. This is the second apparatus. The first one for preparing methane, second one for preparing ethane. We must draw it and write its label. Chemical equations for preparation of the ethane. It takes place in two steps. First one, ethanol, C2H5OH. We prefer to write it in structure formula. Why we draw it in structure formula? Because it is easily to know what happened. What is the change in the equation? Ethanol, C2H5OH, ethanol, ethyl alcohol, with sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4. We can write it by this form, HOSO3H. If we collect them, they H2SO4. What happened? What is the rule of sulfuric acid? Sulfuric acid get water molecule from ethanol. Sulfuric acid, hydrogen with OH forming water, H2O plus H2O, and forming ethyl hydrogen sulfate, ethyl 5 hydrogen with 2 carbon, C2H5, C2H5, ethyl hydrogen sulfate, SO4, ethyl hydrogen sulfate. This is the first step for preparation of ethane. Second step, with heating reaches to 180, what happened? Sulfuric acid go out, get H and SO4H, forming sulfuric acid again, because it considered as catalyst. It help in reaction and go out at the end. H with OSO3H, one electron, so they form double bond, by bond is formed. We can write this reaction again together. Ethyl alcohol with sulfuric acid, H2SO4. We can write it by another form, HOSO4H. What happened? H with OH forming water. It takes place at 80 degree water. Please, when you study equations by different colors, by different pencils, to help yourself to understand hydrogen with OH forming water. And the other part will be attached. C, H, 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 O, S, O, 3, and H. It called ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Second step, starting by ethyl hydrogen sulfate, ethyl C2H5, sulfate SO4 hydrogen. By heating at 180 degrees, what happened? It will get hydrogen to complete sulfuric acid, H2SO4. What happened? This electron transfer to inside. This electron transfer to inside. They form double bond CH, H, C, H, H, ethane C2H4, C2H4. The preparation of ethane takes place in two steps. The reaction between ethanol and sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is present to get water from ethanol and form ethane. This is the equation, and we can write it in one step. Ethanol, conc sulfuric acid, 180, it will produce C2H4 plus H2O. You must understand every equation by using different colors. It is easy to help yourself to understand these reactions. What is the chemical properties of ethane? Chemical properties of ethane, number one, we said the combustion or burning in presence of oxygen. Burning, combustion, reaction of alkenes in presence of oxygen. C2H4 plus 3O2 produce 2CO2, 2H2O and amount of energy. All hydrocarbons burn in presence of oxygen, producing carbon dioxide and water vapor. Addition reaction. Why they react by addition reaction? Ethane react by addition reaction due to presence of bi bond. Bi bond easily to broken. What's meant by addition? Addition, it means broken in bi bond and adding two atoms, one for every one of carbon atoms. As example, if we have ethane react with hydrogen, H2. H2 means HH. In presence of platinum or divided nickel with temperature. Broken of bi bond. Bi bond broken. What's meant by broken of bi bond? It will produce two electrons, H, 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 and one electron for the bi bond. Hydrogen broken in bond. Each one attached to carbon atom. One here and one here. H, H. So it will change from ethane C2H4 into ethane C2H6. H, H. In presence of nickel, produce ethane C2H6. It called hydrogenation reaction. Means hydrogenation means react with hydrogen. We must know that because there is an important question in this point. How many moles of hydrogen needed to saturate ethane molecule? How many molecules of hydrogen, how many moles of hydrogen needed to saturated ethane? Number of moles needed equal number of bi bonds. We have one bi bond, so we need 1 mole of hydrogen. If we have more than double bond, calculate number of bi bonds so you can know how many moles of hydrogen needed to saturated. We change from unsaturated to saturated. The first reaction of addition of hydrogen. Second, another example, if we have more than double bond, we need 2 moles of hydrogen. And we must take care for number of sigma bond and bi bond. This is the important question in this point. Sigma bond, sigma, 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 sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond, and we have 2 pi bond only. If we want to know how many moles we needed to saturate this compound, we need 2 moles of hydrogen to saturate this compound. Second reaction of addition, reaction with bromine. And we will stop few seconds at this reaction because it has an important rule which detect the presence of double bond. Because bromine water, its color is red, it will disappear, so it detects the presence by the double bond. Ethane, C double bond, H, 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 with bromine, Br, Br, in presence of carbon tetrachloride. What happened? Broken in bond, in double bond, by bond broken, and broken in bond in bromine. So it will add each atom to another carbon atom. The result equal C single bond H, 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 and we add 2 atoms of bromine. Write the name for each molecule. You write it. 1, 2, dibromoethane. 1, 2, dibromoethane. What is the importance of this reaction? This reaction, bromine have red color. So when added to ethane and ethane is passed through it, it becomes colorless. Why it becomes colorless? Because 1,2-dibromoethane is colorless compound. To detect the presence of pi bond, we add bromine in carbon tetrachloride in ethane. It will change into colorless. Number 3 of addition reaction, we will have an important note. Symmetrical compound and asymmetrical compound. Symmetrical compound, symmetrical alkene, C double bond, C, H, 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 H. It called symmetrical compound. What's meant by symmetrical compound? As a mirror image, similar. If you look for the 2 sides, they are similar. It called symmetrical compound. But another compound, C double bond, C, H, C, H, 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 H. If we put a mirror between 2 carbon atoms, they are not symmetrical. They called asymmetrical alkene. Symmetrical as same. Asymmetrical different. This part without, we said symmetrical and asymmetrical for the double bond between 2 carbon atoms which attached with double bond. We test them, not the another molecule. May we have long chain, but the double bond between 2 carbons, we can test symmetric or asymmetric. Another example, to add for symmetrical, HBr. No problem. H is added for any carbon. Bromine is added to another carbon without any problems. But if we have asymmetrical hydrocarbon, now we have a problem. Hydrogen where and Br where? So we must apply Markovnikov rule. What's meant by Markovnikov rule? When we added a symmetrical hydrogen acid to asymmetrical alkene, we must add hydrogen for carbon rich with hydrogen. This carbon have 2, this carbon have 1. So it called rich with hydrogen. We must add hydrogen to carbon rich with hydrogen and halogen to the another carbon. So it will produce 2 bromopropane. Bromo, not 1 bromo. And we will ask this question. Why 2 bromo, not 1 bromo? Because this molecule is asymmetrical, so we must apply Markovnikov rule. We must apply Markovnikov rule because this molecule is asymmetrical. It will produce 2 bromopropane. Number D, from the addition reaction, catalytic hydration or addition of water to alkenes. Catalytic hydration, addition of water. Hydrogen is added for one side and OH is added to another side. If we have symmetrical alkene, hydrogen in one side and OH in another side, so it will produce ethanol. But if we have asymmetrical hydrocarbon, we must apply Markovnikov rule. Hydrogen added to carbon reach with hydrogen, and the other OH will add it to carbon pour to hydrogen. Another important reaction, oxidation reaction. Someone will tell us, we study oxidation before. Oxidation by burning in presence of oxygen. But now we will study oxidation by using strong oxidizing agent as KMNO4. KMNO4 is strong oxidizing agent which provides the reaction with large amount of oxygen. This reaction is called Baeyer reaction. Again, ethene react with H2O between bracket oxygen. It will produce 2 OH broken in bond. Every OH is attached with carbon. It will produce ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol, CH2, single bond, CH2. Each one attached with OH. What's meant by ethylene glycol? Type of alcohols. It have an important role in cold countries. It used as anti-freezing substance. We know that in low temperature, water change into ice. By adding ethylene glycol in cold countries, it prevents water from forming ice and it called anti-freezing substance. The equation is very important. Second equation used to detect the presence of double bond, bi bond. First one, by using bromine, change from red color, water, bromine, water is red, it change into colorless. It detect the presence of double bond. By using permanganate, its color will disappear. It detect the presence of double bond. It will form ethylene glycol. The equation written in this form, C double bond, C ethane with H2O and oxygen between bracket, it means oxidation. By using strong oxidizing agent KMNO4, they will form 2 OH broken in bond. Each one is added to carbon. The result is C, H2, H2, OH, OH, ethylene glycol. At this point, we will stop. This is some reactions of ethane. We must study the chemical properties of ethane and addition reaction with different examples, with hydrogen, hydrogenation, with bromine, which its color disappear, with HBr, depending on symmetric or asymmetric, and catalytic hydration with water, and oxidation by using strong oxidizing agent KMNO4. Its color will disappear due to formation of ethylene glycol. This part is very easy and easily to study it, so we must take care, and another meeting will make some questions to test your level and to help us to measure what is the level which we get. شكرا، وانا سعيد جدا 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 برؤيتكم، ويا ريت ان شاء الله المره الجايه باذن الله نكون كلنا مذاكرين، لان احنا كده قطعنا جزء مش بطال في الاورجانيك، وسهل ان احنا نتعامل بيه ونسال ونشوف شكل الاسئله ممكن تيجي ازاي. وطبعا ما ننساش نضغط سبسكرايب ونعمل شير، واي حد عنده كومنتس ولا اي حاجه يسجلها، وان شاء الله نتواصل مع بعض ونلتقي على خير، والسلام عليكم ورحمه الله.